Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix VLC not playing 4K or MKV videos in 2026 step by step. So if your video is lagging, freezing, showing a black screen or not opening at all, the simple settings will fix it very easily. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to enable the hardware acceleration in VLC. For that, simply launch your VLC media player application. Once you have opened it, hover over to the top and click on the option of tools. Here in the tools, click on the option of preferences. In preferences, go to the option of input/codecs. Now here, simply find the option of hardware accelerated decoded and you need to set it to automatic, or you can also set it to direct X video acceleration, which is DXVA. So this is going to allow your graphic card to handle the heavy 4K playbacks as well. Once you do this, click on the option of save and then you just have to try opening the 4K or the MKV videos and see if these are playing normally or not. If the issue still persists, you can also use the second method, in which you need to go to the tools again, then go to the preferences again. This time click on the option of videos. Over here under output, click on the option of the direct 3D11 video output for Windows 10 and 11, or you can also click on the option of OpenGL video output. Once you do this, save the changes and restart your VLC. A wrong output mode is the number one reason 4K files show the black screens. So make sure that you follow these two steps in order to fix the VLC not playing 4K or MKV videos. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.